Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm dasylviaonu. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am dasylviaonu. So guys, today I'm going for the Raise a Voice masterclass that will be holding today at VI. I'm on my way. I'm inside my boat ride, but I'm late, maybe 5 to 7 minutes late already, but I will soon get there. I was supposed to be there at 9, but the masterclass is starting by 10. The breakfast should start by 9 a.m. but I missed that. Okay, I traveled from my sister's place to my friend's place today, so traffic, you guys know, Lagos. Okay, that is one of the major reasons why I don't think I can ever move to Lagos, but it's okay. I'm on my way now, and if I get there, I'm going to talk to you guys later.
I want you guys to get to know each other. And the first person to remember about 5 channels. Each person should have about 5 channels that they recognize. You're going to get something nice from YouTube. And you know YouTube gives out nice things. Okay? Are we in this? Are we ready?
This spot. So can you finish? Nice. So I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the description box, and in fact I'm going to write it on the screen here. Go and subscribe to my babe's channel. Okay, bye.
Masterclass, raise your voice. Your ambition is to get to this level. So if you can all just support my content creation ambition and say, raise your voice.
Raise your voice.
I'm here with amazing female content creators on YouTube. My name. Oh, you went to the best schools. Let's go. You went to the best schools. Okay. My name. My name is Fifi. I come from Delta State. Wow. Daisy.
guys, my best friend is here to pick me. So here is my best friend. That's my bestie, that's my bestie, that's my bestie. Imambo. Thank you, David. How was your day?
You're looking very busy.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
So guys, I'm going to end it here because we are about to head home, and I decided to show you guys what I got from YouTube, the gift bag that they gave to everyone. So the first thing in the bag is a flask. This flask is so beautiful. You guys are going to see it more in my videos. For now, I'm not using it. I've not launched it. In fact, I'm going to launch it in one of my videos. And the next thing in the bag is this selfie. I don't know what I'm going to call it. Is it a selfie light? Yeah, let me just call it a selfie light. But they wrote YouTube on all the gifts that they give to us. Anyone you see, you must see YouTube on it. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys here. This one is actually beautiful too. And the next thing you're going to see in the bag is this. Am I going to call it a jotter or a notebook? Anyone you prefer to call it is okay. And the last but not the least in the bag is a pen. Okay guys, I'm going to end it here. See ya in my next video.